Hello everyone. Welcome to Lanner's video tutorial on Falcon AI Accelerator card. In this video, we will show you how to install an accelerator card into a system. First, please unpack the box and retrieve the accelerator card and a screw pack. Have your compatible appliance ready. In this case, we will use Lanner's LEC-2290 Edge AI Appliance as an example. Now, we need to open the bottom chassis to install the card. Turn the system over and remove the two rubber foots on the left side. Then unscrew these 4 screws and then lift up the entire section. Watch out for the pillar studs on the 4 corners. Then unscrew the 4 screws on the cover and remove the cover. Next, locate the PCIe slot and pick up the Falcon card. Hold the module card on the side that aligns with the PCIe pins. Align the card to the notch, and then gently slide the card in until it is completely in and doesn't budge. Secure with 1 screw on the side of the module card. Now place the cover back on, then place the section back in the platform and secure with the original screws. Falcon H8 AI Accelerator card has been successfully installed.